If you're looking to upgrade your ride with smart, practical tech, today's video on 19 cool bike gadgets on Amazon is exactly what you need. I've rounded up some of the most innovative, useful, and fun cycling accessories that can seriously improve safety, comfort, and performance. Whether you ride daily or just on weekends, there's something here for everyone. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews from NextZen Tools Zone.
UltraFlex 360 Camera Clamp. The UltraFlex 360 Camera Clamp is a must-have if you love capturing every moment of your ride. I really like how versatile this mount is, letting you attach action cameras, small lights, or even compact microphones securely to your handlebars, seat post, or frame. The 360-degree rotating head makes it easy to adjust angles on the fly, so you always get the perfect shot. It's built with durable aluminum alloy and strong grip padding, which keeps your gear stable even on rough terrain. Installation takes just a few seconds without special tools. Whether you're documenting scenic trails or daily commutes, this clamp keeps everything steady and professional looking. For riders who create content or just want extra security footage, this compact gadget delivers reliability, flexibility, and peace of mind on every single ride. Velo Secure Wireless Bike Alarm. The Velo Secure Wireless Bike Alarm adds serious protection to your ride without complicated setup. I love how simple it is to install. Just mount it under your seat or inside the frame area and you're good to go. It features a highly sensitive motion sensor that triggers a loud alarm if someone tampers with your bike. The adjustable sensitivity levels help prevent false alarms while keeping security tight. The remote control makes it easy to arm or disarm from a distance, which is super convenient when you're in a hurry. Its waterproof design ensures reliable performance in rain or shine. Battery life is impressive, lasting weeks on a single charge. If you park your bike outside often, this gadget provides strong deterrence and extra peace of mind every single day.
CycleGuard 360 Helmet Mirror. The CycleGuard 360 Helmet Mirror is one of those small upgrades that makes a huge difference in safety. I personally appreciate how lightweight and compact it is, attaching easily to most helmet designs without feeling bulky. The fully adjustable arm allows you to fine-tune the viewing angle for a clear, wide rear view. Once positioned correctly, it gives you constant awareness of traffic and riders behind you without turning your head. The mirror surface provides a sharp, distortion-free reflection, which helps you react quickly and confidently. It stays stable even at higher speeds or on bumpy roads. For commuting, road cycling, or long-distance touring, this simple gadget boosts situational awareness dramatically. It's an affordable, practical addition that enhances both confidence and overall riding safety. NightRide 360 Bike Camera. The NightRide 360 Bike Camera is perfect if you want full visibility and recording capability day or night. What stands out to me is its wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, ensuring nothing important gets missed. It records in high definition, delivering crisp footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in night vision mode makes evening rides much safer and more secure. Installation is straightforward, and the sturdy mounting system keeps it steady during rough terrain. It also features loop recording, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space unexpectedly. Whether for security, insurance purposes, or sharing your adventures, this camera adds a professional touch to your cycling setup. It's a reliable companion for safety-conscious riders. CycleMaster 14 Toolkit. The CycleMaster 14 Toolkit is something I always recommend for both beginners and experienced cyclists. This compact multi-tool packs 14 essential functions into one small device, including hex keys, screwdrivers, and a chain tool. I love how portable it is. You can easily slip it into a saddlebag or pocket without adding noticeable weight. The hardened steel construction ensures durability and long-term reliability, even during emergency roadside repairs. It's incredibly helpful for quick seat adjustments, brake tuning, or tightening loose bolts mid-ride. Instead of carrying multiple tools, you get everything neatly combined in one efficient design.
For anyone who values preparedness and independence while cycling, this kit provides confidence and convenience. It's an essential companion for daily commuting or adventurous trail riding. SmartRide X2 Trainer. The SmartRide X2 Trainer transforms your regular bike into a powerful indoor workout machine. I really like how easy it is to set up. Just mount your rear wheel and you're ready to start training at home. It offers adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to simulate different terrains and intensity levels. The smooth, quiet operation makes it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. Many riders appreciate its compatibility with popular cycling apps for tracking performance and progress. It helps maintain fitness during bad weather or off-season months without sacrificing riding experience. The sturdy frame keeps your bike stable during high-intensity sessions. If you're serious about improving endurance and strength, this trainer is a smart investment that keeps your cycling goals on track year-round. RideWave Pro Bike Speaker. The RideWave Pro Bike Speaker adds entertainment to your cycling experience without compromising safety. I enjoy how compact and handlebar-friendly it is, fitting securely without cluttering your setup. The sound quality is surprisingly powerful for its size, delivering clear audio even while riding outdoors. It connects easily via Bluetooth, allowing you to stream music or take calls hands-free. The waterproof design ensures reliable performance during unexpected rain. Battery life lasts for several hours, making it great for long rides or group outings. It also includes easy-access control buttons for quick adjustments while moving. If you enjoy riding with music or podcasts, this speaker enhances the fun while keeping your hands free and your ride focused. Signaltech Smart Bike Helmet. The Signaltech Smart Bike Helmet takes safety to a whole new level. I really appreciate its built-in turn signals and brake lights that improve visibility dramatically. Controlled by a handlebar-mounted remote, you can signal turns clearly without taking your hands off the grips. The bright rear lighting makes nighttime riding significantly safer. It's lightweight yet durable, meeting standard impact protection requirements while adding smart features. Some versions even include integrated speakers and Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. The battery life lasts for multiple rides, reducing maintenance hassle. For urban riders and commuters, this helmet offers an extra layer of communication and awareness on the road. It combines protection, innovation, and practicality in one impressive package. RideLock Metal Phone Mount. The RideLock Metal Phone Mount is built for riders who rely on navigation and ride tracking apps. I like its solid metal construction, which feels far more secure than plastic alternatives. It clamps tightly to your handlebars and holds your phone firmly in place, even on uneven terrain. The quick lock mechanism makes attaching and removing your device fast and effortless. It supports a wide range of phone sizes, ensuring compatibility with most modern smartphones. The adjustable viewing angle allows for comfortable navigation without distractions. Its shock-resistant design helps protect your device from vibration damage. If you frequently use maps, fitness tracking, or music apps while riding, this sturdy mount keeps your phone accessible and stable throughout your journey. eMotion Mid-Drive Kit. The eMotion Mid-Drive Kit is perfect if you want to convert your regular bike into a powerful electric ride. I love how it integrates directly with the bike's drivetrain, providing smoother power delivery and better balance than hub motors. The motor offers impressive torque, making hills and long distances far more manageable. Installation may require some mechanical knowledge, but the performance upgrade is worth it. It includes a display panel for monitoring speed, battery life, and assist levels. With multiple pedal assist modes, you can customize how much support you need. This kit significantly extends your riding range and reduces fatigue on longer trips. For anyone considering an electric upgrade without buying a new bike, this conversion option is a practical solution. PowerRide Handlebar Extender. The PowerRide Handlebar Extender gives you extra space exactly where you need it most. I find it incredibly useful for mounting multiple accessories like lights, GPS units, phone holders, or action cameras without overcrowding your handlebars. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it adds strength without noticeable weight. Installation is simple and fits most standard handlebars securely. The dual clamp design keeps it stable, preventing unwanted rotation during bumpy rides. It's especially helpful for long-distance cyclists who rely on multiple gadgets. By organizing your cockpit more efficiently, it improves accessibility and overall riding comfort. If your handlebars feel cluttered, this small addition makes a big difference in keeping everything neat and easy to manage. CycleVault Triangle Frame Bag. The CycleVault Triangle Frame Bag maximizes unused frame space for practical storage. I really like how neatly it fits within the bike's triangle, maintaining a sleek look while offering generous capacity. It's perfect for carrying tools, snacks, wallets, or small repair kits without adding bulk to your back. The durable, water-resistant material keeps contents protected from rain and road spray. Multiple compartments help keep items organized and easy to access. The secure strap system ensures the bag stays firmly in place during rides. For commuters and long-distance riders alike, it reduces the need for backpacks. This bag keeps essentials close and balanced, improving both convenience and overall riding efficiency.
ThunderRide Electric Bike Horn. The ThunderRide Electric Bike Horn is a powerful safety upgrade that commands attention instantly. I like how compact it is, yet it delivers an impressively loud sound that cuts through traffic noise. Installation is quick, usually mounting right onto your handlebars with a simple bracket. The rechargeable battery saves you from constantly replacing cells. With multiple sound modes available, you can choose the tone that fits your riding environment. It's especially useful in busy streets where a standard bell might go unnoticed. The weather-resistant design ensures durability in different riding conditions. For riders who prioritize safety and visibility in traffic, this electric horn provides confidence and strong presence on the road. VeloVision HD Bike Mirror. The VeloVision HD Bike Mirror enhances rear visibility without compromising style. I appreciate its sleek, aerodynamic design that integrates smoothly with modern handlebars. The high-definition convex mirror provides a wide field of view, helping you spot vehicles and other cyclists easily. It's adjustable, allowing precise positioning for clear sightlines. Built from impact-resistant materials, it withstands vibrations and minor bumps without losing alignment. Installation is simple and secure, fitting into most handlebar ends. Unlike helmet mirrors, this option stays fixed and stable during long rides. For daily commuters and road cyclists, improved rear awareness significantly boosts safety. This mirror offers clarity, durability, and peace of mind every time you ride.
Rapid Air Pro Tire Inflator. The Rapid Air Pro Tire Inflator is a compact powerhouse that every cyclist should consider carrying. I love how quickly it inflates tires, saving time and effort during roadside emergencies. The digital pressure display ensures accurate inflation, helping you avoid overfilling. It's small enough to fit in a saddlebag or backpack, yet powerful enough for multiple inflations on a single charge. The rechargeable battery and automatic shutoff feature make operations simple and safe. It works with different valve types, adding versatility for various bikes. Whether you're commuting or tackling long-distance routes, this inflator reduces stress when flats happen. It's a reliable, convenient tool that keeps your ride rolling smoothly. Multi-Ride Universal Cup Holders. The Multi-Ride Universal Cup Holders add a level of convenience you didn't realize you needed until you try them. I really like how easily they clamp onto handlebars, seat posts, or even frame tubes without requiring tools. The adjustable grip design securely holds water bottles, coffee cups, or travel mugs of various sizes. It keeps your drink stable even on slightly bumpy terrain, reducing spills and distractions. The lightweight yet durable construction ensures it won't add unnecessary weight to your setup. For long commutes or casual weekend rides, having quick access to your drink makes a big difference in comfort. It's especially useful during warmer days when staying hydrated is essential. Simple, practical, and affordable, this gadget adds everyday convenience to almost any bike.
HydroRun 2-liter Vest Backpack. The HydroRun 2-liter Vest Backpack is perfect for riders who prefer lightweight hydration without bulky storage. I personally love the ergonomic vest-style fit that distributes weight evenly across your shoulders and chest. The included 2-liter hydration bladder keeps you fueled during long rides, and the bite valve system allows easy sipping while moving. Breathable mesh materials improve airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. Adjustable straps ensure a snug fit for different body types without bouncing. In addition to hydration, it offers small pockets for essentials like keys, energy gels, or a phone.
For endurance rides, trail adventures, or long-distance training sessions, this vest provides balance, comfort, and easy access to water. It's a smart upgrade for serious cyclists. FlexRide Suspension Seat Post. The FlexRide suspension seat post dramatically improves ride comfort, especially on rough roads or gravel paths. I really appreciate how it absorbs shocks and vibrations that normally travel straight to your lower back. The built-in suspension mechanism smooths out bumps, making longer rides far less tiring. Installation is straightforward, replacing your existing seat post with minimal effort. It's designed to support different rider weights with adjustable tension settings for personalized comfort. The durable alloy construction ensures long-term reliability without excessive flex. For commuters dealing with uneven streets or trail riders tackling mixed terrain, this upgrade reduces strain and enhances overall stability. If comfort matters to you, this seat post can transform your cycling experience in a noticeable way.
eBoost 220 Bike Kit. The eBoost 220 Bike Kit offers another powerful option for turning your standard bicycle into an electric-assisted machine. I like how this kit focuses on balanced performance and user-friendly controls. It includes a reliable motor system, battery pack, and display unit for monitoring speed, distance, and assist levels. The pedal assist modes provide smooth power delivery without feeling overwhelming. Installation is manageable with basic mechanical knowledge, making it accessible for many riders. Once installed, it significantly reduces effort on hills and long-distance commutes. The battery offers solid range for daily travel, helping you ride farther with less fatigue. For anyone wanting electric convenience without buying a brand new bike, this kit delivers flexibility and performance in one upgrade. That wraps up all 19 cool bike gadgets on Amazon that can seriously level up your riding experience. From comfort and hydration to safety and electric power upgrades, these tools are designed to make every ride smoother and more enjoyable. I always enjoy finding practical gear that truly adds value on the road or trail. If you found this list helpful, check the links below for more details and pricing. Drop a comment telling me your favorite gadget, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Zen Tool Zone for more exciting tech finds and honest reviews coming very soon.